Welcome to 700 South Abel Street, Unit 506. This luxurious Silicon Valley condo is in a desirable Milpitas location with a serene courtyard inside a well-maintained gated community. The bright unit features an unobstructed floor plan with a combined living and dining room, which opens to a private balcony with storage and beautiful city views. This condo has new wall-to-wall carpet installed throughout, central cooling and heating system, an in-unit laundry with full-size washer and dryer, an open kitchen with recessed lighting overlooks a sunny living area. The master bedroom has a walk-in closet with custom shelving, and the ensuite bath comes complete with double vanity, sunken tub, and a large standalone shower. The second bedroom features lovely arch windows as well as another ample-sized walk-in closet with built-in shelves. Rare two-car tandem garage parking. Wonderful community amenities include elevators and stair access, a clubhouse, pool and spa, gym, children's play zone, and barbecue area, perfect for entertaining. It's minutes to the Great Mall, downtown and parks with convenient access to highways 237, 101, 680, 880, and the light rail. With great schools, you don't want to miss this one.